one old photo at home, the one that is a bit scratched, faded, the one that you look at and you wish it was as clear as the memory itself. Whether it is your parents' photo when they were young, your childhood photo, or a loved one that you really miss. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bring back those photos to life using AI. Are you a business owner, a content creator, or any profession? This channel is for you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, why not subscribe and let's enjoy this journey together. Get your old photo, then open Gemini and paste it here. Prompt it to restore this image with a colored theme. And this is our photo. Look at that. It has given us all the details, crystal clear, within just a blink of an eye. Isn't this amazing? Now you know you don't need to be a tech genius to have your photos back to life. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, press that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who you wish would want to restore their photos back. See you in the next one.